So this was my bathroom window and for my door. And I first of all, I have all these windows all over it. So the best thing to do is to cut a piece of hard paper that is the size of your window so that you can cut a whole bunch of pieces to match that before you start. So you can buy this frosted window cling, and this is on Etsy. It's on a lot of different sites, and it's just window film for your windows, and it comes in lots of different designs, and you can use this on any window. So I already cut some pieces that were the size of my cutout for the window. And you're going to need your plastic scraper. Usually comes with your window cling, but this one is actually a little better. You're going to need water that's in a spray bottle, and you'll need a razor. So whatever kind of razor that you want to use. Very simple. The one thing that's about the hardest to do is to get the film off the back. So you're going to spray your window. And when you're taking the film off, I found this is the hardest thing to do. So actually take your film and put it where the film side comes off. And you're going to put your finger on there, and you're going to get this so that it kind of gets stuck on your finger a little bit and rips away from the film. So you're going to have that side that is going to come off, the plastic side, up. And then we're just going to take this off like that. And I've already sprayed the window. And you're just placing this on that wet window. It's just water. And match it up with the top first, and just kind of cling it down just to see how it matches and fits in there before you start to use your plastic scraper. So you want to get the top first, just get that top part first and push in those corners until all of those bubbles go away. And then you're just pushing the sides and down. And this was a really nice fit, so I don't even have to use my razor. If you have a fit where it's a little big on the side, so this is what I'm talking about, if you have a little bit extra at the end. So everything else looks good up here, but that bottom part, we have that little edge that's coming up. So if you put your plastic scraper down, and then you put your razor right there, like that, and push, and let the scraper guide you across this. It will go, either it'll cut off or it'll go right in there. As long as you measured pretty precisely with your paper that you cut to size, it's going to go right in there. So otherwise you might have to trim off a little tiny bit. Okay, so that's what I need to do right there. Okay, and now that's pretty much in there like that. All right, one more left to go. And this is how you could see through it before. And as you can see, like I have some of it done, so you can't see through the areas that are done. But that's totally right through. That other door is pretty much done. Okay, there you go. That's the inside of the doors. And what's really nice about this is that you get the light. I get the light inside of my bedroom, but you can't see through the doors. You can't see into them. So now it's all done. It's a very easy easy thing to do, so don't feel like you can't do it, or you know, if you have any reservations, it's semi-permanent. It can come off. You can actually peel this stuff right off if you wanted to. So good luck to you. There we go.